In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Priority Inbox in Gmail. This feature is incredibly helpful for those who receive a large volume of emails and want to keep their inbox organized and focused on what truly matters. To start off, you need to open your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your familiar Gmail interface. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There, you'll find the gear icon, commonly referred to as the Settings button. Go ahead and click on that icon. When the drop-down menu appears, look for the option that says See All Settings. Click on it, and this will take you to a new page filled with various tabs and options. I know it might look complicated, but don't worry. It's easier than it seems. Our focus today is on the Inbox tab, so look across the top of the page and click on it. This will bring you to the specific settings for how your emails are displayed. Now that you're on the right tab, you'll notice an option labeled Inbox Type. This is where the magic happens. Once you've found it, click on this option to see a list of different inbox types, and select Priority Inbox. This setting will reorganize your inbox to help you focus on what matters most. After choosing Priority Inbox, you have the option to customize it to your liking. Click on Customize, and you'll be able to adjust the sections and decide which types of emails appear at the top. For example, you can set unread emails to appear first, followed by starred emails or important messages. This customization feature allows you to tailor the inbox system exactly to your needs and preferences. Once you finish customizing and you're satisfied with your setup, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here, you'll need to click on Save Changes to apply all the adjustments you've made. This is a critical step because if you forget to save, your efforts won't take effect. And that's it. You've successfully set up the Priority Inbox in Gmail. By following these simple steps, you're now equipped to manage your emails much more efficiently. Priority Inbox will help you keep track of the most important or time-sensitive messages, significantly reducing the stress of a cluttered inbox. Thank you for tuning in, and enjoy your newly organized Gmail experience.